we are really happy. We have that joy in our hearts to hear from you, acknowledging the help, the little help that we have given you. So, all I can say is thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts. I would like to include the other teachers. Many of our teachers are very new now. And it's good that you have this very worthy, very significant project of putting up www.gpnhs.org, because I'm sure the time has really significantly changed. I remember that joke written by Father Orbos na because of the fast-changing world, even the quotations in the Bibles have also changed. Yadton the prodigal son, naglaong kono na ang son naglaong, "Father, forgive me for I have sinned." The father asked, "What is your sin?" Because of the fast changing world again. Because your son is now a daughter. Time has really changed, no? So when it comes to technology, your son is now a daughter. That is our So technology has significantly changed, and significantly changed also our lives. I remember, I don't know if I have taken that up with you when you were in the fourth year in English. Na there were two lines that we touched by Rudyard Kipling. The two lines says, "East is east and west is west, and never the twain shall meet." All right. I don't know if I have taken that up with you, but whenever we read that, that only meant before, long before, that practice of ija aho. That east is only for the east, and west is also for the west. Literally, it is true that east will always stay in the east, and west will always stay in the west. But there are connotations of that